So the NG tube came out. Don't panic. We're going to walk you through how to place it. So once the NG comes out, before you replace it, you want to make sure you have all of your supplies. You're going to make sure you have your NG tube and that you have your tape already ready to go. You want to swaddle your kiddo. If you have 2 people, you want someone to help with holding and keeping the head steady. If you only have 1, just make sure you do a really tight swaddle. You're going to lubricate your NG tube, and then you're going to measure the NG tube. You want to start at the tip of the nose, go to the ear, and then go to the xiphoid process, or the middle of the chest. And then after you verify your placement, you can either mark it with a Sharpie marker or just take note of the measurement. And then you're going to place the NG tube down whichever nair that you've selected, and then you're going to slide the NG tube. When you place the NG tube, you want to make sure that you're going up and over that little ridge in the nose. And then once the NG tube is at the desired placement, you're going to tape the NG tube securely to make sure that you are in the correct placement. So then once the tube is taped and placed, you want to remove the cap and attach the syringe, and then you're going to pull back on that syringe to make sure that you are pulling back gastric contents. And then you can verify the tube's in the right place. And that's how you place the NG tube back down. Remember, we're always here to help you. If you ever get stuck, after 2 failed attempts, you can always either call our offices to help, or you can go to the emergency room if it's after hours. And any questions, any concern for placement, always make sure to call us.